Hey everybody, this is Ashley from Crosstown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk in Anchor Gray. This vehicle does seat up to 5 passengers very comfortably, and under the hood we've got a 6.2 liter SRT V8 Hemi supercharged with your 7-slot front grille, beautiful headlights. Down here we've got your front parking sensors. Taking a look down here, we've got your 20-inch Scorpion mud and snow tires, as well as your breakaway side view mirror does come with defrost. There's plenty more options. We can take a look inside. Let's hop on in. Helping us into this Jeep Grand Cherokee is this remote start keyless entry fob. Go ahead and click it twice. It'll lock. Hold it down. It'll start. As long as you have the key on your pocket or in your body. On your pocket and on your body, you can unlock it just like this. Super convenient. And over here we've got your power locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as a cup holder with some extra storage. Your driver preset. We've got these aftermarket Harman speakers, as well as automatic headlights, so you can set it and forget it. We've got these Trackhawk leather seating. Hopping on in here. Close the door. It is a push to start, so I'm gonna click it here. There is 11,098 kilometers going through the display. You got your music, your trip A, your fuel economy, your oil change required, okay. Driver assist. We got your speed, vehicle information, diagnostics, screen setup, your messages, back to your audio. On the left, we've got your voice recognition, and on the right, we have your cruise control, as well as paddle shifters in the back of the steering wheel. We've got your leather-wrapped steering wheel. Up here, we've got your rear view auto-dimming mirror that comes with SOS assist. Can you see it there? As well as up here, we've got your reading lamps. These are the buttons for the 2 reading lamps, as well as the power liftgate, your universal garage opener. And these over here are the buttons to open your sunroof, which is a panoramic sunroof. So I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly open it up here. I'm not gonna let it go all the way, because as you can see, there is lots of snow on top of the sunroof here. Opens and closes very smoothly. It's great for the summertime when there's no snow on top, of course. As well as we got a sunglass holder here. Down here at your audio center, we've got your AM, FM radio, as well as Sirius radio. Oh. And then over here we've got your phone, so you can connect your phone, as well as dual climate control. Click into your apps is where you'll find your travel link, your driving modes, your driver and passenger heated seats, as well as ventilated seats. You've got that Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as clicking into your controls here. You'll find your heated seats, your ventilated seats, your heated steering wheel, your backup camera, your navigation, and media to connect your phone. Down here, we've got the volume and tune dials for your radio, as well as the manual buttons for your dual climate control, your parking assist, your lane assist, eco button, and your traction control. As well as under here, we've got 2 USB outlets and an auxiliary port, as well as a 12V DC outlet. 2 great cup holders. Over here, we've got your dial for your track, sport, snow, tow, as well as your driving modes. And in here's a little bit of storage with another 12V DC outlet. There's plenty more we can look at in the back. Let's hop on back. Taking a look in the back, the door panels are all the same. They all got this nice accent feature, as well as a cup holder down here. Behind the driver and passenger seats, we got map pockets and hard backings in case you got kids. Great to have. As well as directional air vents. You got your 2 USBs, your 115-volt outlet, and your rear heated seats. In the middle, we've got an armrest with 2 great cup holders, as well as these vehicles do come with beautiful red seat belts. Very neat. Taking a look in the back, we've got your backup camera, as well as your rear parking sensors. Gonna go ahead and open it up here. It is a power liftgate, as I mentioned. Opens up nice and smooth. Lots of trunk space. You even got your divider. You got a hook on each corner. Got your full-size spare tire, as well as some storage down here. Your power liftgate button, as well as another 12V DC outlet. Go ahead and click the button here. Coming to the back on this side, lots of foot and headroom, as you can see. This vehicle, the seats do come down just like that to give you some extra space. Very handy. Taking a look in the front, got your cup holder with some extra storage. Beautiful accent feature, as well as your front console does have lots of storage in there. Thank you guys for taking a look at this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. If you'd like to take it for a test drive, we're on the corner of 156 and Yellowhead Trail. It's Ashley. I'm out.